Hey bebecitas! So today I'm going to show you how to do this neutral everyday look with this subtle eyeshadow and some eyeliner. Alright guys, so to start this natural bronzy kind of everyday look, I'm going to be using my MAC eyeshadow warm neutral palettes. So I'm going to be using this one. First, I'm going to start with this brownie shade right over here. I'm going to take my fluffy brush from Sephora and I'm just going to go over my crease. Okay. As you guys can tell, I already did my face. Just have some setting powder under here to catch any fallout from the eyeshadows. I already did my eyebrows. And you can check that video in the link below. Cool? Cool. So now I'm gonna go darken it with a little bit with this shade right over here. Like, I don't want it too dark. Cool. Now I'm just gonna apply the same two eyeshadows under my eye. So this brown one right over here. And darken it my lash line with this dark brown. Cool. And now I'm just going to be taking this flat brush right over here, and I am going to take this white bone kind of shadow and just place it underneath my eyebrow to highlight it a little bit. To make it look more clean, more crisp, more nice. Now I usually don't do shimmers every single day, but I do put some highlight in my inner corner to make my eyes look wider. So I'm going to go in with this shade right over here, and I'm just going to take the same flat brush, grab a little bit, and put it right in my inner corner. Open up my eyes a little bit. Cool. So my next step would be eyeliner. And if you guys have watched my videos before, you know I like my eyes nice, wide, and bright. So I'm gonna go in with this White Pearl shade by NYX right on my waterline. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs eyeliner. It's in black, and I'm just gonna go with my top waterline. Now that does require a bit of practice, so if your eyes water very easily, I would suggest to do that first before you apply your eyeshadow, or else it's gonna go in your bottom as well. Cool. So now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Cool. I'm just gonna take some. And I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D tattoo liner and do a little bit of a liner, because that is like a staple Jessie thing that I always have eyeliner on no matter when, where, or what the occasion. So I'm just gonna take my eye and pull it out a little bit to stretch it out. Okay. I'm gonna go from my bottom lash line up and connect it. Cool. So next step is going to be mascara. I'm going to be using my Better Than Sex mascara in the shade black, I guess. and go up. Now for every day, I don't wear fake eyelashes. But if you really wanted to, you could wear some natural ones. Or if you want to look really natural, I would suggest single lashes instead of the strip lashes. And that's that. And our next step is just going to be brushing off this excess setting powder and any fallout eyeshadow that we may have gotten. And that's it, guys, and that's the look. Now if you really just want to complete it, just go in with some lip gloss. I'm going to go in with my favorite night balm from Bath & Body Works. And that's it, guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and watch my new videos. Okay, bye!